Four-way test. Test number 1. Is the main index showing blue or orange trend zone? Blue for bullish uptrend and orange for bearish downtrend. Test number 2. Is there a good stock candidate right now or from the TradeVSA screener that have good odds of winning if item number 1 is satisfied? Test number 3. Can I write a trading plan easily and quickly if item number 2 is satisfied? Test number 4. If I don't win this trade, it will not impact significantly to my emotional bank account in the context of trading. Now, if you have said yes to all the four-way tests, then do the trade. Summary. Test number 1. Is the index bullish or bearish? Test number 2. Is the current trade idea has good odds? Test number 3. Is the trading plan feasible to execute? And test number 4. Would the trade cause too much anxiety to me if I don't win? Now, this is Martin Wong signing off, and I'll see you in our next educational video.